October Pinewood Derby. Thank you all for coming out. I'd like to thank and welcome our host for the day, Mr. Joe Holman, who's the General Manager of Premier Chevrolet. Thank you very much. Joe, thank you very much for being here and sponsoring us. Do you guys hear me okay?
Yeah.
Okay. This is our first event that we've done since 2007. So we thank you all for coming out. We've been very blessed that we're able to do it here at Premier Chevrolet. I'd like to also welcome and introduce our co-event chairs. This is Russ Ashbrenner. He's one of our event chairs from Premier Chevrolet. And Andrew Sonio from Sonio Construction. Welcome, Andrew. My name is Steve Carnelli. I thought he said that.
Yeah.
All right. I'm a volunteer with the Boy Scouts and scouting in Monterey County. I'm one of about a dozen volunteers that are on our district committee. We support over 33 scout troops, both Boy and Girl Scout units, and about 600 scouts in Monterey County. So this event, and thanks to all of your support, this event has raised a gross of about $38,000. And 100% of it gets credited for use in Monterey County to support the local kids. So we thank you all for your support. We've done a really great job thanks to donations of our facility and other donations. We're only about a $4,000 or $5,000 expense on this event. So really, we're over $30,000, which is going to go directly to the benefit of the kids. So thank you again for all your support. I'd like to also recognize some of our major. Yes.
We're just $3,000 or $4,000 short of our goal of 41,000, like Steve said. So if you would like to help us out, get to that goal, over the goal, come see me or Steve.
And that's Marcel Vargas, our district professional. Okay. So I'd also like to thank and welcome our other major sponsors. Hayward Lumber. Is anybody from Hayward here? Is Bill here? Okay, maybe in a little while. Floor Store USA, Terry Reed is here, and your crew. Terry, welcome. Thank you. Granite Rock is here. Peter Lemon is back there. Peter's one of our event racers. So Granite Rock is here. We've got Berthold Insurance. Is Janet here? Janet's here yet? Okay. Janice. American Door and Gates. We have American Door and Gates here yet? Okay. Tim Starbuck. We got Carnell again. Nelly's over there somewhere checking everybody in. We've got, again, Premier Chevrolet, Joel Holman, thank you. Estonio Design. Andrew and his group here. Welcome, Estonio. Dustin. As we do this, we have 2 tracks that we're going to be running, okay? And we've got some awesome, I want you to invite everybody to come over to our table. We have a couple of different categories. We've got a first, second, and third place in speed. We've got a first, second, and third place in best design. And we've got the most, the most unusual or creative and illegal category. Come over and take a look at some of the awards. We're going to love to give them out probably around 2 o'clock, I think, today. We've got food being catered from Italian Cowboy Catering, which will start in a couple of hours. So it's going to be a good morning, good afternoon, and oh wow. Okay, so thank you very much. We've just had a wonderful bit of news. Mr. Joel Holman and Premier Chevrolet is going to cover the $3,000 to get us from 40,000. And if anybody wants to test drive one of the Corvettes later, let me know. I'm going to try to hit Joe up with Joel later. See if I can help him. All right. So with that, we're going to be running 2 tracks. Okay. We've got tracks for speed over here, and then we're going to. If anybody wants to do any head-to-head, so if anybody would like to take a lap at beating the Carnelli car, right here, okay. Side bets to benefit the scouts. Mr. Lemon. Mr. Lemon. Here we have the first set of cars that we're gonna run. Okay, in 2 minutes. Let's get started. We're gonna be calling the first set of cars on that track. And enjoy the morning, and thank you for being here.
Vlogging.
Catch one when they go and I can record it like slow-mo. Yeah.
Probably gotta get like here.
Okay, if I can have everybody's attention, please. If I can have Russ and Joe. Russ and Joe. Joe. Andrew Silvio. Is everyone ready for the results of the races?
Doesn't Steve look very nice? He went out.
That's okay. So, third place, should we, you guys want to hear speed or design first? Speed. Third place is speed. Car 110, Asonio. Okay, so that was third place 16.
Terry, out there.
There we go. Congratulations. All right, second place in speed. Car 111, Asonio.
111.
Go get 11.
sorry.
We don't have a pot.
That's okay. I can just hold the car. Just give it the car. Yeah, just give it the car.
Okay, congratulations. Second place. All right, first place is speed on 109, Sodio. And your speed for Sodio participating next year, the PSA default.
And he has to build new parts.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, good job. Congratulations. Okay, so we're going to do our most creative and illegal car, although this car was actually ended up being legal, but it was still our most creative. So there's that. And that is oh yeah, car 181, Floor Store USA. All right, look at that beautiful, look at that design, you guys, most creative right there.
Why don't you guys just find it both? And then move this way. See, this way, Dad.
Congratulations. All right, here we go. Most. Wow. All right. Third place in most creative. Car 124, Aladdin Properties.
Sorry.
Here. Oh, maybe your brother of the soda will get the car. Come on, Andrew, get the car for your sister. It's for. Actually, it's for Rick. Is Rick here? Rick Gonzalez. The whale.
No.
124. Okay. All right. Okay, let's get a picture. Second place in design.
Yes.
Second place in design for 113, Leo from Asodio. Bill's getting up there, you know, that's, everything, that's okay, Alright, so here we go. This is good, it's not the Sodio. First place in design. No, it's Jim, right? Jim Campbell from Nottingham West. Jim is not here, so congratulations, Jim. Andrew, you want to come and take this from Jim?
I'll deliver Jim's.
Alright. Awesome. We'll tell Jim that we've got your place inside. So congratulations. No.
Oh, everybody else
Okay. So, to all of our corporate racers, we thank you so much for participating in our event and supporting our efforts. We have certificates of appreciation and participation for you all. So hopefully there should be one for everybody here. All of the cars are getting put on class. So everybody should take the carnival and it'll be mounted so you can display it proudly in your business. And make sure you get the program. We want to thank you all for participating and supporting the event. Again, it was a great day. I want to thank all of our, how about a round of applause for the race team? Everybody. Great job for everybody who spent the last few weeks building cars and all of the participants. Great job on the cars. We look forward to hopefully seeing everybody next time, and make sure that if Sonio is participating, we take care of the cars first. And last certainly but not least, we want to thank our hosts, Premier Chevrolet, for letting us use their facility.
We could not have done such success in the first years in 2005 or 6 without our volunteer event chairs. So our volunteer event chairs, Mr. Steve Cardinale, nearly 10,000 kids are going to benefit from your all's leadership, local kids in our Polk County area, but primarily mine. Thank you so much.
Here's Andrew.
Thank you.
There's Andrew.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. All right. Yeah, we get. All right. Well, that concludes our event, you guys. Have a great day. Have a safe trip home, and hopefully again we'll see you next year. So thank you for coming out and enjoying the event, and thank you to all of our sponsors.